Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device. Make sure the iPad has adequate battery and you know the passcode because Reset Network Settings requires it. Once ready, open Settings, go to General, then Transfer or Reset iPad and choose Reset. Select Reset Network Settings and confirm. This clears saved Wi-Fi networks, Bluetooth pairings, and VPNs so the system can rebuild fresh connections. Do this because corrupted network settings are the most common cause of persistent Wi-Fi failures. Once the reset finishes, go to Settings and tap Wi-Fi to rejoin your network. You must re-enter the password because everything was removed. Make sure the iPad receives an IP via DHCP, open the network details, and renew lease if the address looks wrong. If the connection won't establish, update iPad OS in Settings right arrow General right arrow Software Update and power cycle the router. These steps rule out software bugs or router handshake issues that often block reconnection. To finish, verify connectivity by loading multiple web pages or running a speed test. Make sure apps access the internet too. Then reconfigure VPNs, Bluetooth devices, and any static DNS or proxy settings you use. If you still have trouble, reboot both iPad and router together, check router firmware, and try connecting another device to the same Wi-Fi to isolate the issue. Key tip: if the iPad still won't join but others can, contact Apple support. Hardware Wi-Fi modules can fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.